Flood warning means rapid onset flooding is... The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Janesville, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, Edgerton, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Orfordville, Footsville, Como, Pale Lake, Powers Lake, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a